In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display section available here. Now tap on Font Size and Style. Operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!